Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the vehicle in the Chargemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And at the your account section, click on the vehicles button. So to add the new vehicle, just click on the plus sign at the top of the page on the right. And then just look for the manufacturer. And then set the model. And lastly, set the version. And as you can see, the vehicle is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.